Fiestas are such a big part of the Filipino culture. Festivals are not just celebrations, they are expressions of gratitude, unity, and shared aspirations. This festival spirit perfectly embodies the essence of the partnership, the collaboration, and the bayanihan that we celebrate with Canegosyo Fiesta. Mga kaibigan, the 2024 BPI Business Banking Canegosyo Fiesta is now officially open!
Congratulations and a happy Fiesta! Fiesta po! Maraming salamat.
Together, we can build a stronger, more resilient, and more prosperous business community here in Pampanga and across the entire country. Thank you, and I wish everyone a fruitful and inspiring Canegosyo Fiesta. Mabuhay po tayong lahat and maya paabak po.
So much growth!
Super exciting!
Success natin lahat, okay? Okay.
1, 2, 3!
Success natin lahat!
Together, we continue to do more and be more madali, magaan, mabilis for our SMEs. Once again po, maraming salamat, and I invite all of you to actively participate as we officially launch the Canegosyo Fiesta. Maraming salamat po.
Happy Fiesta indeed!